Hello YouTube, this is Nerd Rides and this is another video on the Mercedes All-Terrain 2019. I'm on the road again and today I want to answer the question: how long does the Drive Pilot, so the autonomous driving mode of the E-Class, take to, let's say, annoy you to take over the steering wheel? So how long can you drive without being forced to do something? The way we are trying to test this now is we are of course in the Drive Pilot mode, and the E-Class, the all-terrain, is steering itself. We are in a, let's say, very secure environment. There's nothing complex going on here, so this is an easy scenario for the Drive Pilot. It's just following the traffic, and so let's see. We can test this by just pressing the sensor right now, and now the time is ticking and we are waiting. How long does it take for the Drive Pilot to ask you the first time? First time is right now, so this warning usually appears after about 10 to 15 seconds. It's not a static timing or timer. It depends on things like your speed, what curve the Drive Pilot is driving, and other things, and the sound. So the audio warning appears after about 30 seconds and then is repeated several times, and then we'll watch what happens next. Okay, now it says initiating or performing an emergency brake. Of course, I'm overruling this. I'm not going to do an emergency brake on the expressway, so this will be in a controlled environment in another video where I can show you this, where there's no risk to harm anybody, so to test this safely. But the answer to the question is it's not a static rule set, or it's not a static timing or timer that is set and warnings are initiated like the B8, like the VW Passat. It's a kind of mix of a static and a dynamic warning system. The first warning, only the visual one, is shown after about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on speed, how complex the situation is at this moment, how many cars and so on maybe, and how strong the bend is and so on. And the second one is the visual and the audio warning, which appears after about, let's say, 25 to 30 seconds. And this warning is repeated for another pretty much exactly 35 to 30 seconds. So the last warning, or the information that the system will now initiate the emergency braking, is shown every time after exactly 60 seconds. So this is the, let's say, the only static point in time, exactly 60 seconds, 1 minute after you have touched the steering wheel the last time. And like I said, I will show you the emergency braking, what's happening, what's going on while the car is doing this, and if this is really working, or if it's crashing into a wall, whatever. This comes up in a video in the future, not so far away, so please give me a thumbs up for this video if you like it. If you want to see more, like the upcoming videos, like the speed test with 210 kilometers per hour for the Drive Pilot, or the emergency brake video, please hit the subscribe button, and just be sure not to miss the next videos on the Mercedes E-Class All-Terrain. Thank you and catch you later. Bye bye.